Are you constantly setting up meetings, dozens or even hundreds across the year, and inputting details again and again and again? And that's a lot of time. And you could be in various different roles. You could be a PA, or operations manager, project manager, doesn't matter what it is. We're at some point going to be sending out invites. Now, there's a way in Microsoft Outlook and using Excel where you can mass upload events, and then they are set up in Outlook in seconds. So you could set up hundreds and hundreds of events and with the key details. So those placeholders that you send out for events, meetings, training sessions, whatever it is, I'll show you a way to save tons of time. So let's dive in. So what you need to do is firstly prep your Excel sheet. So over here you need to make sure you've got the correct headings first. So start date, end date, the subject or the title of your meeting, short time as, which is optional. You can set this as busy, location, start time and end time, and description as well. So this may not be all the details that you need for your event. However, this really does still help with setting up your placeholders in there. So if you imagine you got 100 placeholders to create for different types of events, then this will be a huge time saver. So once you've prepped your Excel sheet, all you need to do is save as, and make sure you're saving it as a CSV file. So that's very important. So in the drop down, just select CSV, comma, delimited. And because I've already saved this, I'm not going to save it again. And then close your file, go into Excel, and then within the calendar area, go to File, Open and Export, Import and Export. And then in here, it's already on the setting that you want, import from another program or file. Click Next, comma separated values. Make sure you've selected the correct one, the file that you've just created. And then I usually select do not import duplicate values. And I was just going to take a few seconds to generate. So calendar is already selected. And over here is quite useful, is you can map the fields, but because you've already set it, it intelligently picks it up. So you don't have to mess about there. You can just go straight to finish. And it just take a few seconds to generate those appointments. And I've just done a very simple example of this, all in the same week, just to show you how quick it is. But if you imagine setting up events over a couple of months, just like I'm doing at the moment, there's about 70 events that I'm organizing between now and the end of October. That's a lot of events. So I use this tool to input all of those and put the placeholders in the diaries ready to go. So that has saved a ton of time. So I really hope this video has been useful. If it has, hit the subscribe button, the like button, and most importantly, share with others so that they can benefit and save time as well.